Yo, did I scare you? What's going on, guys? What is going on? All right, how's everybody doing this evening? Second live stream of the day. We did a live stream for the members only earlier today. Private community live stream this afternoon. Big things popping, little things stopping. You guys know what it is. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Let's see who's all in the chat. Crypto Holmes in the house. What's up, buddy? When's the first Rangers Panthers game coming up, man? Haven't checked yet. I don't know when the first game is. Phil, I came across two projects today: AI Pepe King and Diligent Pepe. Any thoughts on these projects? I think they're very early, and I noticed Swiftcoin was following them on X. I don't know. Let's see if we've got listings on either one of them. Let's just find out, brother. What is it? AI Pepe King? Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. AI Pepe King. Nine zeros 4-6. Wow. Let's see if we got a better understanding over on CoinMarketCap. We do. All right, so we got 8 zeros, 6-2. $2.6 million market cap. That's pretty low. 420.69 trillion tokens. 100% in circulation. Well, that's good. Can get it on Matic, on MetaMask, on the Polygon Matic network. All-time high was 2 months ago. Oh, you can get it on BitTrue, MEXC. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It seems like a decent little meme coin, right? Diligent. What's the other one? DILI. Is it DILIGENT? Pepe? I got nothing on that one, brother. The other one seems okay, though. This one here, AI Pepe King, looks decent. It's down on the day. Ooh, 71% of the week. Probably not the best time to buy it. Oh, only 2% on the month. That's not bad. Ooh, 1,297% on the year since launch. Yeah. Seems okay, man. Seems okay. Not too bad. William, what's up, buddy? Wednesday. Wow, that's a long break. That's a long break. This is a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, a 4-day break. Wow. That's crazy. Rob the OG, no push-ups for me, brother. Nice. Kevin, back again. Let's go, baby. 100%. Facts, there's only one true Pepe, and that's the original, folks. Those other ones will eventually rug people, unfortunately, or just not do very well, right? Woo, Ric Flair voice. Nice. May go to the Sunday 3 p.m. game. Oh, really? Nice. Well, considering it's so affordable down there, man, shit. It'd be cheaper for me to fly down there and hang out with you at a Panthers game than it would be for me to go to Toronto. I'll tell you that much. It's like all these stupid annoying Caspa forks. Yeah, that's an unfortunate thing when it comes to stuff like Caspa is like you start getting all these like forks of people who think they can do it better and stuff like that, right? There's only one Caspa. 100% agree, facts. 100% agree with that, brother. There's only one Caspa, guys. And listen, let me tell you right now, guys, if you think that like I know Caspa was crazy hype for a while and stuff like that, and it did really well, and it's been kind of stoic and sideways and boring for quite a while now, guys. I'm telling you, Caspa's going to do big things in the bull run, man. Don't sleep on it. Do not sleep on Caspa. Overcome, what's up, man? Crazy momentum shift in that Rangers Kane series. No kidding, eh? No kidding, man. I was watching that with the father-in-law. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, guys. All right. What is going on out there, guys? We got quite a bit to go through today. We didn't do this morning's live stream because we were doing, I was doing the members only live stream today. So that's what it is on Sundays, guys. You want to be a part of those? We looked at a couple of microcap gems. You want to be a part of those, guys? Click the link in the chat. Become a member of the channel. Join the private community. All right, what is going on? Let's have a look at the market real quick here, first of all. Farm's having a crazy day, eh? Check that out, guys. It's up 17.1%. It was up to $82 at one point earlier today. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Right. Yeah, so Farm's pumping, guys. Farm's another project we started getting into over on the member side. Probably, I don't want to say 3 weeks ago, guys. Am I right? Something like that, 2-3 weeks ago. Hang on a second here. No. Yeah, we got into farm back then, so a lot of us are in quite a bit of profit right now. So yeah. All right, let's see what's going on, man. JASMY down 6%. Good DCA opportunity. It actually went back down below 2 cents. Well, that's surprising. We forgot to watch the close there. Let's check it out. See where we closed, guys. Well, there's good news still, guys. There's good freaking news. Let's check this out. We had the weekly close. Boom. We closed above 66K, guys. Mega bullish. We're right at the resistance level of this trend line, and we're still the inverse head and shoulders is still valid. So we should see a break to the upside coming here very, very soon, guys. We got two indicators here saying the upside, so hopefully it does not invalidate. If it does invalidate, guys, as you know, and we do go to the downside, the lowest will go, in my opinion, is this lower blue line here, which is the support level at 52K. Then this one, the second one's 55K. So we'll see. Hopefully we don't need to test those, but they're still in play. But we did have a good weekly close, so we'll stay on top of it as always. Seats are more expensive this round. $1,000 for lower bowl and $300 for the upper bowl. That's still incredibly affordable, man. They're going for like $9,000-$10,000 in the ACC, or it's not even the ACC anymore, the Scotiabank Arena. So, Daddy needs to retire. Yes, 100%, man. 100% agree. Me too, man. Me freaking too. All right. So, what are we on here? All right. So, yeah, pretty bullish, guys. Very, very bullish for BTC. Closing above 66K. Mega bullish. Unfortunately, JASMY seems to have closed below. Yeah, we closed below 2 cents on JASMY. But we got the exact same setup for JASMY that we do on Bitcoin, guys. Check it out on the daily. We have the inverse head and shoulders playing out, and we have the same trend line as on BTC. Both JASMY follows BTC so closely when it comes to this stuff. BTC is going to break out. JASMY is about to do the same. We're going to see some nice gains, in my opinion. But we'll have to stay on top of it as always, guys. So Very, very bullish close, guys. Very, very bullish close. All right, so what do we got going on around the market? My good buddy Jesse points out, he says, in case you were wondering what happens next, we just recorded the first buy signal since February on Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. This was the last buy signal right here, guys. Check it out. Boom, back in February. Just got our first buy signal. Are you ready to go, guys? That's over on TradingView. Very, very bullish, guys. Bullish, bullish signs. If you're not bullish, I don't know what to tell you, man. Michael Vandepop says Bitcoin's likely going to continue to be moving in this range. I'm not expecting massive volatility to come. I'd rather expect consolidation and slow upward momentum towards the all-time high. The thesis remains the same. Altcoins to outperform in between. Altcoin season is coming, guys. It is coming. It is coming. That's what she said. All right. What else we got? More from Michael. Says it's very likely that altcoins are continuing their upward grind from here, and that we finished the correction. Slow upwards grind, but slowly but surely accelerating towards the vertical move in Q3, Q4. That's right, baby. Let's freaking go. Q3, Q4 this year, guys. Guys, Q3 starts in what? 4 months, 4.5 months, something like that. Like, let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking go. What else do we got? Steph's Crypto in the house says the inverse head and shoulders breakout for JASMY still in play, which I just showed you guys on the daily. He's looking at it on the 12-hour. The technical price remains 2 cents 8 for the breakout on the inverse head and shoulders. I will take 2 cents 8, and then we're going to have to test that 3 cent level again to break out of it, right? So we'll have to stay on top of it, guys, as always, right? All we can do is remain diligent, right? Stay on top of it. Breaking news, a whale has bought 1,590.14 BTC worth $106 million in the past 24 hours. Whether it's big banks, pension funds, or whales, everyone is accumulating. Are you? I hope you guys are, because that's what phase we're in, guys. That is what phase we're in. Hopefully you guys are, doing what you got to do. Fill those bags, top them up, keep going. What do we got? So this week, the former SEC chair said that Roaring Kitty manipulated GME GameStop shares by tweeting memes. Yet, this week, Senator Tommy Tuberville is trading options on companies he legislates, and Pelosi's portfolio hits all-time highs, but silence from the SEC chair. I wonder why that is. Corruption at its finest. Yes, it is close. Q3 is July, about 40 days away. Going to be epic. I agree, man. I agree. July. We got it. We just got to get through June, right? And June's my birthday month, so we should be green in June because it's my birthday. That's just science, guys. That's just science, right? It's crypto futures birthday. Market's got to be green. It's like, why is grass green? Same thing, right? It's just something that happens. We don't know why. Mother Nature just takes over. So it is what it is. I don't make the rules. I just play by them. All right. What do we got? Breaking news. $1.5 trillion under management. Morgan Stanley has disclosed $270 million investments in the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. First, they said Bitcoin is a scam. Now everyone's buying millions worth of BTC. Super bullish. That's why, guys, I was saying when everything was down, like, you guys know this stuff. I don't have to tell you guys this stuff. You guys know. When they were, like, for the last couple of years, when they were calling it a scam and they were bashing it, they were planning to accumulate, guys. That's why we, as smart investors, were buying the whole time they were funding it, because we were not falling for that garbage, right? Ain't nobody got time for that. We were accumulating. They literally stopped trading. Yes, no kidding, eh? They were losing at their own game, so they literally pressed the pause button, right? You know what it reminds me of? You know what it reminds me of, guys? You guys, some of you, I might be aging myself here. Some of you probably remember this, but the very first Mario Brothers game on Nintendo, right? You remember when, like, now I used to play with my mom. God, God rest her soul. I used to play Mario with my mom. I would always be Luigi, and she would be Mario, right? So when she died, then it was my turn to try a level, right? And every time I would be jumping from one ledge to another over a cliff, she would press the pause button just as I was in a mid jump. And then she would unpause it, and my guy would go boop, and he would die. And then it would be her turn again, right? That's what it reminds me of. They just were jumping in the stock market to make money, and they pressed the pause button, and then we're like boop, and then we just drop. That's what it reminds me of. Some of you know exactly what I'm talking about. Some of you don't, but absolutely. Check out the Dixie here, guys. She's still looking kind of down. We need to see this just to completely crap out, man. We need to see this crash down to around 99, still 104, right? We need this to crash down around $1, maybe 109. That would be perfect. So we'll have to stay on top of that as well. What else? Here's when Bitcoin will hit on 100K. Bitcoin has seen a notable uptrend this week, propelling the asset's value to $67,000 as it aims for a new all-time high following the challenging start to May. One prevailing market sentiment suggests that Bitcoin's next record high target is $100,000, with speculation mounting that the milestone might be attained during the project's post-halving rally. In line with this sentiment, trading expert Trading Shot shared insights in a Trading View post on May 18th, drawing from Bitcoin's technical indicators to outline the potential factors that could drive the asset to $100,000 and a possible timeline. He says, Trading Shot's analysis centers around the inverse head and shoulders, which we just talked about, guys, on the daily. I showed you guys that. A bullish reversal formation observed in technical analysis since May 6th. The expert noted that the expectation of have been high for Bitcoin to break out above the lower highs trend line. The key indicators for the inverse head and shoulders pattern, true to expectations, Bitcoin's duly delivered on this front. Highlighting historical precedents, Trading Shot noted that the previous two instances of an inverse head and shoulder bottom formation resulted in significant price rises of around 95%. Moreover, the one-day moving average convergence divergence indicator reinforces the bullish outlook. Based on this analysis, Trading Shot predicted that Bitcoin will likely hit 100K psychological target sometime after July, which is what we're talking about, Q3. We've been talking about that, right, guys, in this stream. While the precise timing remains uncertain, the projection underscores Bitcoin's prevailing bullish sentiment. This sentiment follows a significant correction in early May, with the asset dropping as low as 56K. Indeed, the breach of the 65K resistance level was a critical juncture likely to dictate Bitcoin's trajectory towards a new record high. Notably, the maiden cryptocurrency is consolidating around 67K, a pattern that sometimes analysts anticipate will continue. That some analysts, whatever. For instance, in a recent X post on May 19th, crypto analyst Michael Vandepop advised investors not to anticipate further volatility in Bitcoin's price. At the same time, according to a report by Finbold, crypto analysis R. Linda suggested that Bitcoin bulls could be on the brink of breaking existing resistance levels. In this scenario, she highlighted a key resistance level to monitor at 67,250, 71.5, and 73.7, while emphasizing watching crucial support levels at 65.2, 64.5, and 61.5. At press time, Bitcoin was trading at 67.2 with a daily losses of 0.12%, while on the weekly chart, BTC is up almost 10%. Considering Bitcoin's recent price movement, bulls face the challenge of maintaining the price above 67,000 support level for the meaningful upside potential. So basically, guys, we're likely going to slowly creep our way, grind our way upwards to $100,000 per Bitcoin over the next month and a half, 5 or 6 weeks, right? Sometime around July is when we should be breaching it. So yeah, very, very bullish there. Guys, all indicators are showing us the same thing, and I'm going to show you what I mean in a few moments here, so just bear with me. The Bitcoin dominance, as I was just stating, metrics, right? So the Bitcoin dominance should break down soon. That's the real altcoin season will start, so we should see this start to break down and see the alts start to pop off. Again, we have the Dixie that's dropping, and then over here, I'll show you this as well, guys. We have that switched on me. Hang on a second. Over here we have the so the Dixie's dumping, as I showed you. Bitcoin dominance is going down, or is going to go down, and the S&P 500 has just reached a new all-time high. Gold and silver as well, pumping. Guys, all metrics show risk on assets are going to start running very, very soon here, guys. I've showed you every metric that I can, right? It's bull time, baby. It's bull time. That's all I can say. And this here is the most important metric that I'm about to show you of all of them. This is the most accurate, 100% guaranteed Bitcoin is going to go nuts metric. Are you ready? Boom. Jim Cramer just tweeted out, there is no way Bitcoin's going to $1 million. Confirmed. Bitcoin to $1 million. Inverse Cramer, baby. Here we go. Right? Big things popping, little things stopping. Good old Jim Cramer. So Tom Emmer, guys, I'm gonna be live streaming both of these next week, just so you know. He says crypto has shifted economic power from centralized institutions back to the hands of the people. The CBDC Anti-Money Surveillance State Act and the Securities Clarity Act and the FIT 21 will provide the regulatory certainty needed to ensure that Web3 is designed with our American values. So, guys, this week I will be live streaming the CBDC Anti-Surveillance Act, and I will also be streaming the SEC, the Securities Clarity Act as well. So make sure you guys are here for those. Armed to Fight You, I got a question for you. What's up, man? Hopefully I got an answer for you. All right, more bullish news, guys. I announced this earlier in a short, but here you go. Hashpack token, new listing on BitGet Global. So if you want to get some, you know where it is. Very bullish on HBAR, guys. Absolutely love that. What else do we got? So we looked at this. Someone just bought $1.1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Another nation state buying. Check it out, guys. Look at that purchase. Boom. Confirmed. Unbelievable, man. Bitcoin is getting scooped up. Like I said, guys, in about 9 months at this pace, there's not going to be no more Bitcoin left on exchanges. And you could roll your eyes at me right now saying, oh, sure, buddy. But I'm telling you, you watch, there's not going to be none left. KK, what's up, man? Hope everyone's buying and filling their bags. Absolutely, man. Dash Coin is a very invested coin. What do you think of it? Honestly, I'm just kind of neutral on Dash. It's kind of an old project, right? It's kind of old. I'm not holding any Dash. I probably would never buy any Dash, to be honest with you. Market cap's a little bit higher for my liking. I mean, it's got okay token. It's got good tokenomics, but it's the all-time high was 6 years ago. It's 98% down from its all-time high 6 years ago, right? I do not I do not recommend buying into Dash. It might do okay in the bull run. I don't know, but I mean, I wouldn't be interested in it personally. New spank you. All right, what else do we got? Check it out. JASMY update. I'm looking for us to still see 100%, 180% move on this. I will remain long if we can hold 1 cent 6 support. We're a long ways higher than from 1 cent 6. So very, very bullish there, guys. Next leg up, he figures 4 cents 5. Very, very nice. Pluto, what's up, man? Thoughts on Access Protocol? Let's have a little. Let's have a glimpse, shall we? Yeah, and I'll let you guys know as well. Like, if you want me to look at projects for you guys, you guys know I have no problem looking at projects for you guys in the live streams. But if you ask me to look at a project in the comments of a video, I generally won't do it, because if I do, I'll spend all day just looking at projects for you guys, right? So, I mean, that's one of the reasons I do the live stream, so that I can look at the projects for you guys while we're live. So just know that if you ask me in the comments of a video, can you look at a project, look at X project, I'll just tell you, ask me in the live stream, right? So just because, like I said, guys, if I did that, if I just, was looking at projects for people in the comment section all day, I mean, I would never get up from my computer. It would be crazy, right? So Access Protocol. Let's have a look. Rank 511th, 202, $83 million market cap. Let me check over on CoinMarketCap quickly too. So I have a max supply. Okay, so 87 billion is the max supply. Okay, it's on Solana. That's a good thing. All-time high last year, 2 cents. Gate.io, Coinbase, Bybit, KuCoin, Crypto.com, BitTrue. Yeah, I mean, it seems like a fairly decent play to me, man. If you're in it, I mean, you probably won't do too bad. Seems like a fairly decent play. Thanks. I got you. No problem. I used to really like Digibyte. Yeah, Digibyte was good too in the last bull run. I didn't mind Digibyte. I don't hold any anymore. Boomer's in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, brother. I didn't even check for live on X. Yes, we are live on X. Guys, as always, if you're new, make sure you're subscribing to the channel, right? Do us a solid. It's always greatly appreciated. It costs you nothing. What else do we got? So we did that. We did that. All right. So that's the news that I got for you guys tonight, guys. Showed you the metrics, guys. Bitcoin, we had a good weekly close. So, I mean, we're getting pretty close here, guys. If you look, we're getting pretty close to the next leg up. We're going to grind, guys. We are going to grind for the next month and a half, 2 months, right? We're going to grind, but we're going to grind upwards, right? It's going to be slow, methodical steps upwards, in my opinion. And then once we hit probably mid-July, things are really going to start to ramp up. So, and that's only like 6 weeks away, man. So buckle in, guys. Dollar cost average while you can. You are seriously running out of time. So I would take that seriously if I was you. All I can do is show you how the cow eats the cabbage, though, right? Any coins you think might surprise you this run? Surprise me, or do you mean me? I'm all blurry. Do you mean me like metaphorically, as in like surprise people? Why am I still blurry? I guess I'm just blurry now. Do you mean me as in like personally me, or do you mean like, you know, you as in like anybody kind of thing, right? Or now I'm not blurry anymore. Listen, some projects that I think are going to surprise people for sure. Obviously, JASMY is going to shock people for sure. There's so many haters that are going to be proven wrong. I think the Caspa is going to shock a lot of people. A lot of people think Caspa's done. Not even close, in my opinion. I think projects like Miria, like AWT, they're just going to come out of nowhere and they're going to run. Miria is going to do something similar to what Gala did in the last bull run, and a lot of people are going to miss that. So yeah, there's quite a few like that. I think Swift Coin is another one. Swift Coin's going to just, you know, people can be like, what the hell with this Swift Coin? It's going to be like $1. People are not even going to understand, right? So, what can be JASMY's price if Bitcoin hits? Oh man, I don't know that, man. If Bitcoin hits $100,000, probably. I mean, depends on how, you know. There's a lot of factors, but I mean, if Bitcoin's $100,000, I would think the JASMY is going to have to be at least somewhere between 15 to 20 cents. We'll say 12 to 20 cents, somewhere around there at that time. Because you have to remember, the reason that I say that is because you have to remember that Bitcoin runs first, right? JASMY's not going to really run along with the rest of the alts. Like, they'll run, like from what it is right now. JASMY to 15 to 20 cents is a big run, right? But that's going to be a grind upwards to that level. JASMY and the alts are really going to run around Q4 of this year, sometime around October, November, December, into January, February, March. And that's going to be near the top, in my opinion. I will probably, honestly, guys, I will probably be exiting the market around January, February is when I will be leaving, right? The market. I'll still be on the channel, but so yeah. TrueFi or TrueFlation? I was looking at these two projects today and started my research. Do you have any opinion on these? Let's have a look. TrueFi. I got nothing for TrueFi. TrueFlation. 66 cents. $64 million market cap. 9. I do not like the tokenomics at all. It's only 9% in circulation. That's not so good. All-time high was a month ago, $1.24. Honestly, man, I mean, like, I like it's backed by Chainlink and Coinbase. I like that, but honestly, man, I would not buy it just because there's only 9% of the supply in circulation. That's crazy, right? For me, you're just asking to get dumped on with tokenomics like that, in my opinion. So I wouldn't really be looking at that one personally. Now let me see. No, yeah, I can't find. I don't use Coinbase, so I mean, I could see if I can find it on CoinGecko. TrueFi. No. What's the ticker? TRU. Oh yeah, here it is. I got it on CoinGecko. $138 million market cap. Tokenomics on this are much better. Much better. All-time high in the bull run. It's on Binance. It's on BitTrue. Hang on a second here. I'm just looking at the chart. Let's have a little look-see at the chart here on TrueFi, shall we? We've got a double top going on here. That's not so good on the hour. It's a little better on the 4 hour. What's the daily look like? Looks like it's kind of broken out on the daily, right? If we're going just by the I mean, if we go by the wicks, right? Let's go by the wicks and see. Looks like it's in the middle of a breakout on the wicks, right? I don't know. Seems okay. Seems okay. But I like the tokenomics on this one, TrueFi, way better than I do on the first one there, Trueflation. I can't believe how much farm runs. I know. It's running like crazy right now. Running like crazy. I guess with that circulating supply, that would be true inflation. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. What do you think about Axel? I think I looked at Axel this morning, didn't I? In the members live stream? I'm pretty sure I did in the members live stream today. Oh, you asked me, but you never told me. That's right. I asked you, which one is it? There's you're talking about XLR or XLR bridged USDC? Like, which one are we talking about? AXL ENU? Okay, so this one's the one you're talking about. This one's the one you're talking about. Oh, $639 million market cap. Let me see over on CoinMarketCap. It doesn't have a max supply. All-time high 3 months ago, $2.64. It's got some decent listings. Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. It's pretty much listed everywhere. What do they do? What do they do? Programmable Web3 interoperability platform, scaling the next generation of internet applications, billions of users. Okay. I mean, they're very active on their socials as well, which is good. But nothing really jumps out at me about it, though, right? I don't know. I don't think it's one that I would personally be interested in, given the market cap and everything. It's just, it doesn't appeal to me. It doesn't appeal to me. There's nothing wrong with the project. It just, for me, where we are in the cycle, market cap's a little high for my liking. No max supply. DGen, what do you think? I know you covered it, but I was late purchasing some. Yeah, I recommended it to the members like 3 or 4 days ago before it pumped. What's it doing now? Probably having a little bit of a correction now, right? Yeah, not a bad time to scoop some up, man. Not a bad time to scoop some up. Like I told the members, I told the members my plan with this project. So definitely, yeah, not a bad chance of DCA. Do you ever mess with meme coins? They seem so risky. Currently, I do not hold any meme coins, but yes, I do buy meme coins as well. I recommend meme coins. Like I show meme coins from time to time to the members on we do our Sundays, we do our members only live streams, and we look at some of the meme coins over there as well for people to get into early. So, but you got to be a member of the channel to get that. If anybody wants that, links is in the chat. Be part of the private community. Thanks. Saw a video on it from Maximus 2 days ago. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Nothing jumps out at me about it. I'll have to watch. Maybe I'll watch Max's video and see what he's got to say. He might say something that piques my interest. But right now, it seems like a good project, but it just doesn't jump out at me as something that I would want to pick up. So yeah. So anyway, guys, everything's looking good, man. DXY looks dumpy, right? S&P is pumpy. Gold and silver are pumpy. Stocks are pumped. Yeah, well, S&P, right? Everything's looking good for the next leg up. So, like I said, choppy sideways in an upward trajectory for the next 5 to 6 weeks. And then we should be ready to go, guys. So make sure you are DCAing, get in where you fit in. And yeah, that's about all I got for you guys today. So yeah, probably going to do some DCAing tonight. We'll see what happens. But all right, guys, that's all she wrote. I'll be back tomorrow morning as per usual for the regular Monday morning live stream. Tomorrow's a holiday in Canada. I don't know if it is in the States or not, but it's a holiday in Canada. So I don't work. So I will be back with a vengeance in the morning live stream. And yeah, make sure you guys are hitting the like button. Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button, guys. We got to help the channel grow here, right? And yeah, make sure you join the private community as well, guys. Click the link in the chat or the join button for that. And I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic night, guys. I appreciate you.